Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution to keep track of your most valuable items. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding. Utilizing ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with exact distance and direction. Imagine never having that panicked search again. Your iPhone acts as your personal treasure map, making finding misplaced items surprisingly fun. Getting started is unbelievably simple with its one-tap setup, instantly pairing with your iPhone or iPad, just like magic. Within seconds, you're ready to attach these sleek, lightweight trackers to anything you want to protect. And don't worry about accidental spills or splashes. The AirTag boasts an impressive IP67 water and dust resistance, built to withstand daily life. If you're looking for the best electronics tracker in 2025 and want peace of mind, make sure to check out the AirTag 4-pack via the Amazon link in the description below. It's the seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem and robust Find My network that makes these little devices so incredibly powerful and reliable. No other tracker offers this level of precision and ease of use, making it an absolute game changer for anyone prone to misplacing things. So if you're ready to upgrade your tracking game and never lose another important item, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an essential buy. Grab yours today.